Okay guys, Phil and Florence here. We got us a fire going over there. As you can see, we're gonna do the Caveman Steak. I might cheat a little bit. It'll still be 21st century caveman, but anyway, I hope it doesn't get dark on me. It's late in the day, so I'm gonna try to hurry it up as much as I can. But I got tagged by Steve at DQUED BBQ to do the Caveman Steak, so I'm gonna do my version of it. I got some good ideas watching everybody. Ken over at Heavy Metal Barbecue, he used all kind of stuff, torches and vortexes and Traeger. That was cool what he did. So I'm gonna do my version of it, so you stand by. I'm waiting on my fire. As you see, we still have snow on the ground. It's been melting when it can get some sun on it. It came and dropped I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. All my stuff up in here has got snow still on it. That's unusual for South Carolina, that's for sure. We usually get the kind that come in one day and it's gone the next. This one hung around a couple of days just because we had freezing temperatures. All right, be back with you. Dump out some of this stuff. Pull that out the way. Where I'm coming from. I mean, this is what you'd have to do if you were a cowboy or a caveman. Ugga. Fire. Yeah. I'll be back, Fred. On that lighter. Let's go in here. Just lit a chimney, a lump, but I wanted to do this way on purpose. There it is. It'll get going in a minute. If it does, I'll come back. All right, we got us a fire. I'm a caveman. I was walking along and saw this black thing, and I wondered what it was. And so went over there and picked it up and brought it to my cave. So I'm gonna take some ashes. Kind of do like that. That's the way we do it. You know, on Team Ugga. What we're gonna do with Team Ugga, I found this black thing and I thought I'd bring it home and see what it was all about. Meat, internal on the meat is 40 degrees. What we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it over there and offset cook until it reaches hopefully 120. If we don't get satisfaction, we'll throw her on the coals. More coals. More coals, Ugga. Well, the lid's getting hot. The meat's starting to rise a little bit. I might put a little more coals over here. Get rid of some of this ice. That's what a caveman would do, right? He'd be out there fighting the elements. Oh, you want to know what Ugga means? The name Ugga, the translation for that name? It means grunt often and pass gas when needed. Yeah, that's it.
Temperature's rising. Oh boy.
We're gonna shovel some coals around there. Me like black dome. Black dome good. I'll be back. Right. Ugga cook. Ugga smart. Ugga know how. Build fire. Thought I'd give a little report. The temp on the lid thermometer has gone up 160. So we're getting some heat under there. I didn't crack it because it's got an opening at the bottom, so I didn't crack the top vent. And my temp on the meat has gone up to almost 60. Started at 40. So we're making some progress. Ugga cook. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. 82 and a half. We're getting there. Just hang on. Stick with me. Okay. Can you see that? I want to make sure I get it. We are at 120 on the internal temp. I keep one hand with a glove. Woo, that thing's hot on my legs. I know that. I can't hardly stay this close. Woo! That's a hot fire. Kind of make sure. Nice and red. Ugga smart. Ugga on the way home, he go by dumpster and get basket out of dumpster. He put in the fire. It prevent ash from getting on meat. Ugga smart. Ugga name famous. Ugga mean grunt and pass gas when necessary. We sear meat. Helga like medium rare. We sear 1 minute, flip over. Ugga so smart, no get ash on meat. Use basket, find Walmart dumpster. Helga whole life for Ugga. Helga do good job. Yeah. Give her something special tonight. Might have a bone somewhere. He find Viagra and dumpster too. Time to flip. Directions on box say flip after 1 minute. Ugga forget to use Pam. All right.
One more minute. Ugga's so smart. I normally sing song right now, forget words. Ernest T. Bass song, good song. Forget words. Jump in sky, went so high, come back down, jump on the ground, you know song. This ribeye, not a stick, is cowboy ribeye, so we take up sooner to get medium rare. I think we get there. I see pink going away. We better take up.
Yep.
What think, Helga?
Yep.
She said yep. All right. We check you inside cave.
All right, we're going to uncover these caveman steaks and see what happened. It got dark on me, so I really couldn't see halfway what I was doing. They look a little more than what we usually look just looking at this. Bring one over here. I'm gonna turn it over. No, to be fair, let's leave it like that. Look, smells good. Let's see what the inside looks like. I didn't leave it on there long. This looks like a medium, but that ought to be good. Let's check the other one, see if it's doing about the same thing. These weren't cowboys. They weren't real thick. They were just a regular. Yeah, Janet will like that a little better.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll let Janet taste a piece. Well, that one's, you know, that piece is going to be a little more done. It's out on the edge. And I'll take this piece first. Oh, Ugga goes first. You can tell I did one side longer than the other. Maybe that'll help since they're thinner. I actually haven't seasoned them yet, so we're going to season them with some black pepper, garlic, granulated garlic, and salt. The caveman style, we didn't want to have any seasoning on there attracting any ash. Alright, we'll give this piece to my camera lady. What you think, Helga?
Good flavor.
Well, it hadn't been seasoned, that's just pit flavor.
No, it's good.
Well, that's my caveman cook. Come back down on these again, Helga. There's my steaks. If you flip it over, you can tell I didn't do the other side, but just a little bit of time because it's not dark. I'm glad I did because, you know, as thin as they were, they went up to 120 over there on the under the dome. So, you know, I did what I needed to do. I'm sure we'll enjoy them. It's actually medium rare on the inside of this one. This one seemed to be doing pretty good. Got a piece of fat there, but it's good. We're going to, matter of fact, here's what we'll do to help the cause. We're going to use caveman salt. And we're going to use some caveman pepper. Ugga like pepper. And some caveman garlic, granulated garlic.
Watch out.
Oop. Okay. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed our little fun. After all, it was a caveman steak cook. And, you know, cavemen can be smart. Ugga went by a Walmart dumpster and found some stuff to use. So, until next time, this is Phil and Florence. Bye-bye. And Helga.